Welcome to this edition of the First Aid Show. We asked a paramedic why the public should learn first aid and how is the initial care vital to allow them to do their job effectively.
As a paramedic responding to lots of emergency incidents, I cannot stress enough how important it is for every single member of the public to know some basic elements of first aid. Those first few seconds, minutes can make such a significant difference to the outcome of your loved one or your patient, your friend. It's critical that we learn those steps to take, how to make the airway open, how to make sure that you've called for help and you've recognised some signs and symptoms that could be life-threatening or life-changing. So everybody should learn first aid and start young and keep reinforcing it all the way through your life. At school, at work, at home, in your leisure, it's really, really important. And I know because when you are able to help somebody and you are able to make a difference to the outcome of that person, it feels good. So why wouldn't you want to learn it? Just go and do it.